Prangsil labang so YouTube channel long kilang ara duan fan stami nilihin pen adap ke me kardom nang pajirik lo kardom la pen pini labang so video long nali tumpa nagi than ponji labang ke Assam TET recruitment labang so aputhak sinali tumpa nang than puchini ponik po nali tum labang so YouTube channel lo long jong sinang kamri milang pole chingon pen nali tum subscribe igon la pen video stami nali tum share porigon tang non Assam TET examination labang so aputhak le pathiak pen lang pono nang la pen chithan pono na
Atang de non Assam Special TET exam labang so Voreng Avarsai puthak dak chethan polona non hejong government of Assam hin bestami da official notification ka release pondo special Assam TET eligibility test mate TET pulo short form ben 2026 aparman la pendak lower primary lapen upper primary level lapen dak bodo garo manipuri lapen hamar medium atuma phansi labang so special Assam TET recruitment labang ke kapik lang pondolo jong sinali tum labang so TET exam jong se tokdun ji pulotangte nang litum permanent resident of Assam along ke do klung abang phu tum si labang so Assam special TET exam apan bangke alang litum si tokdun long chotji Nonili ethitini details salam dagnang than pachini ponikpo the qualified candidate of special Assam TET 2026 will be eligible to participate in the recruitment process the teacher post of elementary level school provide have the academic professional qualification as per NCTE norms. That's non labang so exam long jong si tokdun pen alang nitum undun det polotangte non ki wangji la teachers of Voreng Avarsai apus labang ke alang nitum jogdun ikpo jogdun long ikpo la pen non TET labang so Assam special TET recruitment aputak details lang polona name of exam labang ke special Assam TET eligibility mate TET 2026 lo la pendak name of authority labang ke empowered committee TET government of Assam lo la pen name of department labang ke department of education government of Assam la pen labang so exam ke doji labang ke type of exam labang ke written exam mate OMR basis sidak exam ang padoponik po date of exam labang ke non announce ponpela la pen duration of exam labang ke ghunta hinira minute thongke bansi exam apor labang ke dak padoponik po nanai tum dak thek ponlong exi la pen number of papers labang ke two papers si padopola paper 1 la pen paper 2 la pen paper 1 labang ke lower primary afano la pen paper 2 labang ke upper primary fano type of question langdam lo pulotangte multiple choice question mate MCQ ahin pensi padoponik po number of question ka padoponji labang ke 150 MCQ question answer dak padoponik po is paper long paper is yellow la pen negative marking labang ke dak padopon pe there is no negative marking la pen medium of exam labang ke dak kapadoponji labang ke English dia ka SMS Bengali la pen Bodo English ansi dak padoponik po la pen validity of TET certificate has lifetime validity la pen non jong sinali tum labang so TET long jong si undun det polotang te pass dun det polotang te nani tum hala subang so TET certificate labang ke lifetime an alang dak validity dolo la pen qualifying marks labang ke a candidate is required to score 60 a example 90 marks out of 150 qualify the teacher's eligibility test. However, for SC, ST plans, ST Hills, ST Hills, OBC, MOBC, PWD, there will be a relation 5%. Thus, this candidate qualifying marks will be 83 of 150. Example 55%. Lapen kapre category to mga dak ki komna stami ki jumla stami 60% an long nengchi na penason ata da ST plus ST Hills satu mangke 55% anta alang litum pass don po la pen exam mode of application la bangke ke apply nengji online se apply nang po helpline number dak on update pipon pela eligibility criteria of Assam TET la bangke la pulson lo candidate must be permanent resident of Assam nang po lapen educational qualification labangke candidate must have minimum academic professional qualification per NCTE norms as a follow lapen NCTE pen kaan sila kapadopon ma kachar lengdeng hol ansi labangso exam fanstami kachar lengdeng bangke nang ikpo lower primary teacher class 1 to 5 an bangke senior secondary unangji lapen 50% marks to nangji 2-year diploma stami do nangji lapen la education qualification details banali tum hala advertisement alolong lang ponigon lapen upper primary teacher apan bangke class 6 pen class 8 an bangke alang itum graduation unangji lapen second 2-year diploma do nangji putar lada ke tok pondo lapen an kiding bani linali tum nang pore pi gelo lapen examination fee of Assam special TET bangla pulo paper 1 apan bangke nalitum general category atum bangke paper 1 apan 550 lapen paper 2 han stame 550 lo SC lapen ST atum paper 1 450 paper 2 stame 450 OBC MOBC atum stame paper 1 450 lapen paper 2 le 450 PWD candidate atum jong sido pulo tangte paper 1 300 lapen paper 2 la bangke 300 ansi alang itu application fee bangke pinang po jang si kumane labang so exam ketok donji ninghang apply donji ninghang pulo tangte nalitum labang so article long stamiling long iksi registration po option duje da biar ik penalitum personal details educational details passport size photo signature nalitum abenang po exam center chongwai nang po la penalitum payment ma pinang po payment pig date pen nalitum submit nang po submit date pen api acknowledgement alon longji hala bangke nalitum print out si biko nang po lapen starting la bangke 7 January pen si cheng pono lapen last date la bangke non ki bangji 7 February an si last date kipi pono lapen admit card issue date bangke dak pipon pelang lapen date of Assam special TET exam afan stame a date bangai fix pon pelang labang so article long siwang lo polo tangti nalitum dakpen online application a links tami dakpen long pon igi lapen TET guidebooks tami nalitum dakpen long pon igi official TET notification a links tami long pon igi lapen official website a links tami nalitum ladak labang so article long pen long ikpo labang so article link nili comment box long pin ikelo nalitum dak ber pen tami labang so article long wang pen nalitum detail salam bangke lang long igi Lasipini a video long bangke nili nang kethan ponji la bangke la anchor no asi video nalitum share igon lapen labang so YouTube channel stamina nalitum subscribe igon tangge domi thakmi kadu kabe karbitis 2.0 YouTube channel long kelangara do ana pan stami nili hinpen kardom